Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to report a bug to Anthropic with proper evidence so your issue can be investigated faster and more effectively. If Claude is behaving unexpectedly, crashing, producing errors, or not working as intended, sending a detailed bug report can help Anthropic identify and fix the problem. The key is providing clear evidence instead of simply describing the issue. Start by reproducing the bug. Before reporting anything, try to make sure the problem happens consistently. Repeat the same steps and see if the issue occurs again. If it only happened once, it may have been a temporary service issue. Next, gather information about what you were doing when the bug occurred. Write down the exact steps you followed. For example, note which Claude product you were using, what action you took, and what happened immediately before the issue appeared. Take screenshots whenever possible. If Claude displays an error message, capture the entire screen so Anthropic can see the context surrounding the error. Make sure important details such as warning messages, buttons, and settings are visible. If the problem involves a conversation, save the relevant prompts and responses. Copy the exact prompt that triggered the issue and the response Claude generated. Small wording differences can sometimes affect results, so accuracy is important. Record the date and time when the problem occurred. Including a timestamp helps support teams locate relevant logs and investigate the issue more efficiently. You should also note your environment details. Include information such as your operating system, browser version, device type, and whether you were using Claude in a web browser, desktop app, or another platform. If the bug involves file uploads, mention the file type and size. For example, specify whether it was a PDF, Word document, image, spreadsheet, or another format. If possible, explain whether the issue occurs with one file or multiple files. Once you have collected your evidence, visit Anthropic's support page and submit a bug report. Clearly explain what you expected to happen and what actually happened. Keep your report concise but detailed enough for someone else to reproduce the issue. A good bug report might include a short description of the problem, steps to reproduce it, expected behavior, actual behavior, screenshots or recordings, relevant prompts and responses, device, browser, and operating system details, date and time of occurrence. Avoid writing reports that only say things like Claude is broken or it doesn't work. The more specific your information is, the easier it becomes for the support team to investigate the issue. By providing clear evidence and detailed reproduction steps, you greatly increase the chances of receiving a useful response and helping Anthropic resolve the issue quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.